Good evening. I'm Debbie Hedges, and I have the pleasure of being the administrator at the Wilson Healthcare Center at Asbury Methodist Village. And I'm going to talk to you tonight about the power of language. I've always been fascinated by language, and in particular, the power our words have to cultivate the environments that we live in. I want you to think about that for a minute. Every single time we speak, our words that we say give off energy that create the environments that ultimately our elders have their experience in. It's a huge responsibility. Let me give you an example. A while back, I was in a clinical team meeting listening to a very well-educated, very well-respected clinician talk about a resident who was experiencing confusion and referring to her as a squirrel. A squirrel. And in that moment, with that one word, she managed to change the perception of all of the caregivers who were then going to leave that clinical team meeting and go and interact with this person. Imagine if she would have used different language. Imagine if she would have said that this person is a 95-year-old retired physicist who is with us for care, post-surgery, and experiencing some confusion and needs our help. What if changing our language really is the catalyst to changing the environments and ultimately changing the experience that our elders have in it? What would we do? How do you change the language of an entire group of people? And I'm here tonight to suggest to you that it's possible. And it's possible by creating ripple effects. The first ripple effect that we can create is within ourselves as leaders, being intentional and mindful about the words we use and creating opportunities to explain their meaning and purpose to our teams. And the second ripple effect that we can create is actually with our teams themselves, to give them space to learn about the power of language, to learn about the power of their words, and create opportunities to explain how they can use them to create meaningful, supportive, healing environments for those we serve, so that squirrels can go back to being fuzzy woodland creatures and stop being adjectives for the elders that we serve. Thank you.